And all of this comes on a day when Xi Jinping was talking about peace. He made claims that may sound ludicrous if we've been following what China has been doing. He said things like, China will never seek hegemony, China will never expand, China will never create a sphere of influence. Our next report tells you how China's actions speak louder than its words and how its expansionism is taking a dangerous turn.
The world is battling a second surge. And the country that exported the Wuhan virus is now staking claim to global leadership. President Xi Jinping of China delivered a speech at the annual BOAO Forum for Asia, an event that is called China's answer to the Davos summit. He took a swipe at the United States, warning Washington against bossing others and meddling in the internal affairs of nations.
The future of the world should be mastered by all countries in the world. Rules made by a single country or just a few countries cannot be forcibly applied on others. The world order cannot be led by unilateralism from some country. Equal treatment, mutual trust and respect should be placed as priority of relationships between countries. Arrogant treatment of other countries and interference in other countries' domestic affairs will not win the hearts of the people.
If you think it's a bit rich coming from China, wait till you hear what President Xi said next.
China will never seek hegemony no matter how developed it is, never expand, never seek for a sphere of influence, and never join the arms race.
In case you missed it, here's what the president said. China will never seek hegemony, never expand, never seek a sphere of influence, never do arm race. Either China is taking a sharp U-turn or its president isn't aware of what its government has been up to. The words do not match Beijing's actions. Let's start with the claim that China will never seek hegemony. It sinks without a trace in the South China Sea. This is where China is claiming disputed islands, building military presence and amassing maritime militia at the Whitsun Reef. This is part of the Spratly Islands, an archipelago claimed both by the Philippines and China. Beijing doesn't recognize their existence. These militia are known as China's Little Blue Men. They're used by Beijing to exert territorial claims. In other words, China's tools to seek hegemony. Claim number 2. Xi Jinping says China will never expand. Ask Taiwan and they'll tell you how much water that holds. Since last month, the PLA's expansionism has escalated. After sending military aircraft to Taiwan's airspace, the PLA conducted aerial bombing drills for 9 hours straight. Chinese planes dropped bombs from different altitudes. The Chinese press says the drill happened at an unknown location, but it was conducted by the PLA's Eastern Theater Command that oversees the Taiwan Strait. Reports say the drill was in response to a US-Japan joint statement on Taiwan that called for the peace and stability in the region. Claim number 3. Xi Jinping says China will never do an arms race. The words are opposite of China's actions. It keeps expanding its weapons arsenal. At $208 billion, China's military spending is the second highest in the world. The top spender is the United States. Reports say Beijing is developing several advanced weapons, like nuclear-capable ballistic missiles, submarines and stealth fighters to extend its military reach. The writing is on the wall. China wants to rule the world. Xi Jinping is trying to make the right noises at the BOAO Forum. Unfortunately for him, his actions speak louder than his words. Bureau Report, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.